Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer credit card balances with Citi, complete guide step by step clearly. To transfer a credit card balance with Citi, begin by gathering your account information. Make sure you have your existing credit card statements on hand for reference. Visit the official Citi website or open the Citi mobile app to get started. Log into your Citi account with your username and password. Once logged in, navigate to the balance transfer section. Select the option for transferring a balance from another credit card. Enter the details of the card from which you want to transfer the balance. Provide the account number, the amount you wish to transfer, and other required information. Review any promotional offers that may be available for balance transfers. Check the fees associated with the transfer, as some may apply. Confirm the transfer amount and verify that all information is correct. Submit your balance transfer request. After submission, you will receive a confirmation of the transfer process. Keep an eye on your account for updates regarding the transfer status. Allow a few days for the transfer to be processed. Once completed, your new balance will reflect on your Citi account. Make sure to continue paying down the new balance to avoid interest. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.